So the most common way that we interact with Python is to do so through a script. So in this case, we need to create a text file, which normally has the extension .py. So in this case, hello world.py. And you can see here, we started typing that script out. So the first line is indicating that it's a Python script. So this is a line that we normally put at the beginning of our files. And this is started with a hash key or a hash value from the keyboard. So that's the symbol for a comment in the Python script. So that's anything after that hash, the Python script will ignore. And you can see here that we're first entering information about the script. So what is the script? Who's created it? Some contact information from the data which they created it. And this is really useful if you're writing code with others, or if you're working, if it's a script someone else is going to find, or even if it's something that you're going to find later. So in this case, all the script is going to do is going to print hello world to the terminal when we run it. So you can see print, open brackets, type hello world. So we're now in our terminal, we type Python hello world.py. When it runs, you can see it prints hello world to the terminal.